Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Jonathan Coates, and in today's free affiliate marketing training, I'm going to be talking about the variety of affiliate platforms out there, which ones that I've been using since 2015, and the ones that don't require approval. Now, I've been going through this sifting process because I've noticed that a lot of people that come to me aren't really fond of the affiliate process, having to fill out an application, having to, basically explain what your different properties are, where you're promoting stuff at, how much traffic you're getting on a daily basis, how many followers you have to have. You got to provide all this information just to sell a product. So I've noticed that with clients of mine over the years, it's always good to have different options to offer people, different platforms to recommend because, like, for an example, Clickbank is really mainly just good for topics other than e-business and e-marketing. From my personal experience, their products over here in that category aren't that good. But this is the easiest, like, low barrier to entry platform from my time in this business, as well as the initial sign up process. They don't ask you a million questions. They don't make you jump through all of these hoops just to become an affiliate. Be sure to take a look at my affiliate marketing checklist right in the description. It teaches you how to generate leads and boost sales. So I do recommend Clickbank. Just keep in mind that their e-business and e-marketing section is not only is it lacking, but their products aren't really that good, especially when you compare it to places like Warrior Plus, where that's like their main central focus is business related products. So, for an example, if you go to the affiliate tab up here and then click on offers, and then you just go to where it says by category, you see that they got in the marketing education section, they actually have advertising, affiliate marketing, AI, copywriting, CPA, drop shipping, all of this stuff, etc. In each category, like I'll just click on copywriting. Each category has enough products for you just to choose from, where you can get like a good little variety here. So this guy's talking about neural linguistic programming. This guy's talking about AI Fiverr profits. So chat GPT, lead magnet. So this is the copywriting category. And you got all these different categories just in this specific niche. Now they do have different industries like, AI, local business, but as you can see, all of this stuff is mainly related to internet marketing, business, making money, etc. Everything in here, copywriting, SEO, search engine optimization, is essentially all related to making money on the internet or making money offline, but mainly making money on the internet, as you can see with search engine optimization, social media, email marketing, cost per action, etc. So that's why I would recommend Warrior Plus, but just keep in mind they do have an application process. Like you just need to fill out a questionnaire on where you're getting your traffic from, how you're sending traffic to your sales funnels, how are you basically selling your products, or do you have a sales funnel based around the product? They ask you a ton of different questions. So I wanted to share with you these different options here. So Warrior Plus is definitely like there is a barrier to entry, meaning you have to fill out the application and you have to pay a $5 fee. And they're doing that to deter spammers and make sure that they have a quality network of affiliates. I remember this product right here, I Am Checklist. It was like one of the first few products that I started selling alongside with the Evergreen Wealth Formula. That was like a $94 commission. And I would have this on my thank you page. And this would be like more so in my sales funnel type of thing underneath my newsletters. But at any rate, I remember trying to make withdrawals, and just to get my money I would have to fill out an application. Like they wanted to know, it wasn't really necessarily my application that I had to fill out, but it was my profile. I had to connect all of my social media accounts. I had to like show them my bio. I had to essentially fill out this area right here, which really isn't that big of a deal if you think about it, because you're just connecting your accounts, your Facebook, your LinkedIn, you're putting a profile photo, you're putting a short bio in there. They need to see this. And then I had to wait like 48 hours in order to get my money. I had to make sure my bio was filled out, like a long bio and an introduction, as well as my contact information, which is with Clickbank. When you get paid, which is every Tuesday, every Wednesday, if you set up for the weekly direct deposit, I normally get my Tuesday evening. If you get paid, it goes directly to your bank account. You don't have to request a withdrawal. Now, they do have different thresholds, and you can set those thresholds, meaning you have to make at least $50 in commissions first before you're able to actually get a deposit. But with Clickbank, you don't have to request for withdrawal, which with Warrior Plus you do. And then even when you do request for withdrawal, there's all these little barriers and hoops. Now, I made a lot of money with Warrior Plus over the years, and there was only a few times, like if you take about 6 to 7 months off and you come back, they're going to be asking you questions like, where have you been getting your traffic lately? What have you been doing? Like, it's all this stuff that in the last 1 year, how has your business grown? What sales funnels have you been using? And it's really irritating when you're just trying to sell products and make money. Having to go through all of these barriers, it actually led me to the point where I was like, man, I'll just create my own products, for crying out loud. But it is cool though to make money on the side with affiliate marketing, especially when you're bringing in a few $100s a day. It's still awesome nevertheless, and I love it because it's just selling products, and that's where I got my start in door-to-door sales, selling products, magazines, cleaning products. So this is the same exact thing. It's no different. You're just picking a niche, picking a product, and then getting a commission from it. So that's Warrior Plus, and that's Clickbank. I explain how those two work. I'm doing some research on these right here. It's called Share a Sale. Apparently, it doesn't require as much of an entry as Warrior Plus. Then there's another one called Giddy Up. This is an affiliate platform. We help brands and marketing partners, publishers, influencers, and agencies drive profitable, scalable, and long-term revenue. Blah blah blah. It's basically just an affiliate platform. You pick your niche, you pick your product, and then you get the selling. And from what I've read, this doesn't require much of requirements in order to join, other than just the simple creating an account, filling out basic information, and then getting started. Now, you will have to fill out like a W-9, necessary tax information, and agree to the GDPR, the Global Data Protection Regulation. But other than that, though, you don't have to fill out a 5-page application on what you've been doing in the last 5 years, plug in all your websites, which websites are you using for this product. It can be really annoying when you have to go through that, when really you just want to get started. And I'll have all these in the description. I'm not too familiar with these. I'm actually doing my research right now. I actually do have a lot of videos already out there about Clickbank. So let's actually go to Google, and I'm going to just show you what this is real quick. So Rakuten Advertising, formerly known as Rakuten Marketing, is an affiliate marketing service provider. The company in 2009 claimed it was the largest pay-for-performance affiliate marketing network on the internet. That was in 2005. And it was founded in 2006. Essentially, it's just another affiliate platform. Now, there's another one called CJ Affiliate, which used to be Commission Junction. Now, these guys, they do have a lot of questions they ask you. They make you have to basically, and I'll show it to you right now, set up all these different properties and show them exactly. Now, I'm going to go ahead and just log in and show you what I'm talking about here. So we got Giddy Up here. We got Share Sale. I'm going to close these because it's taking up a lot of energy in my browser. So with on here, as you can see, there's an onboarding checklist. Now, I used to make money with these folks in the past, but they actually closed my account and I had to create a new one because I just stopped using them for I think the last time I actually even made money with these people was back in 2018, because I was just mainly using Warrior Plus and Clickbank for a long time. So I had to create a new one. And as you can see, there's an onboarding checklist. Validate your email, no problem. Enter your username information. Basically, it's not that big of a deal. Once it gets to this, I was like, all right, so detailed description of my affiliate promotional methods is fine. It took me about 10 minutes to fill out, because I got quite a few things that I got going on. And then once it got to this point, I was like, all right, man. All right, this is getting a little, it's getting a little bit more complex than I would rather it be right now at this very moment. I don't mind doing all of this, but I got stuff that I got to do. And this felt like it was going to take about 30 minutes. For an example, with when it asks you to add your property, right? If you click on this, it's going to basically, now I got different products that I'm promoting. In just internet marketing alone, I got traffic generation, AI, automation, email marketing, SEO, copywriting, selling, objection handling and closing, and affiliate marketing. And I'm also talking about automation. And when it comes to my other niches, I got sales and closing, dating, relationship, and health and fitness. So if I'm going to create a property, this is where you will describe the properties where you'll be promoting advertiser brands. It's also how advertisers will see and understand how you'll be promoting them. Register all the properties where you're planning to place links. So if you click on create a property, you have all these different options to choose from. As soon as I saw this, I was like, let me go ahead and find some other affiliate platforms. So I actually ran into this one. This is called Avantlink. It's the same thing. All of these are basically affiliate platforms. I'll have all of this in the description here, but they do have a little criteria here, as you can see, and plus an application. Becoming an Avantlink affiliate involves a number of steps. You got to submit an application. They got a selection criteria. They're looking for affiliates that align with their core company values. See, if you don't want to have to go through all of this, you just want to log into a website, click on marketplace, click on the niche that you're looking for, like Clickbank, and then just get started. Like click on promote and get a hop link. Like almost about 15 minutes after you sign up, then this is not the place for you. But I do want to just bring this to your attention because they're not looking for any use of black hat SEO tactics, affiliates that participate in blog or comment spam, sites that have no value. So they do have a criteria. It's not really that deep though. Mainly all of this stuff I don't really teach myself personally, nor do. When it comes to black hat SEO, every now and then I engage in it, but I don't really make that my central main core like traffic generation strategy, especially when I'm driving traffic to lead pages. But I'll let you be the judge on whether or not this is works for you or not. So this is their selection criteria. And then you have Digistore, which I used to make money with back in 2015. That was really it though. I didn't go any further after that because I was selling it was a Facebook group posting software at that time, and this is actually where I had it at. I think I probably may have sold a couple of products here once or twice after that, but basically this is just another affiliate platform that you can go to. I think they have a lot of software like SaaS type stuff, software as a service, but I'm positive they have various other markets for you to choose from, and they got a knowledge base as well as a blog. So be sure to check this place out. That's why it's important not to have all of your eggs in one basket. All right. So with that said, I hope you enjoy. That's it for this video. If you like content like this, then I highly recommend that you check out my affiliate marketing checklist in the description. It teaches you how to generate leads and boost sales. And I cover everything when it comes to picking an offer, creating a website, sending traffic to that website. And I highly recommend that you subscribe to the channel. I talk about everything when it comes to generating traffic and increasing sales. And take a look at my affiliate marketing playlist. I have almost about 70 plus videos now about this specific subject, and as well as my traffic generation. So you can watch my affiliate marketing videos. It'll teach you how to basically build an online business. A lot of that stuff I show you how to do for free. And then you can take a look at my traffic generation playlist to see how you can get customers to your business on a consistent basis. And I got free traffic strategies and I got paid traffic strategies. And take a look at the tools and our resources below, as well as the pinned comment by the Affiliate Marketing Samurai. I'll have everything that I included in this training. And with that said, I will see you in the next video. See you then.